If you want to change the font style on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to settings, scroll down in here in order to go to display and brightness. Scroll down in display and brightness in order to find the font option. And now in here you should be able to open the themes app with different fonts. So of course you can choose whichever you would like to use. Of course many of them are, as you can see, actually paid. But we should be able to go to, for example, categories in order to try to find something cool. And perhaps you will be able to find some free fonts in here as well, like for example here in the new. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can tap on this free button in order to then apply it. And we should be able to easily use our new font. There we go. In case you want to change it back, then of course we can go to font settings in here and you can switch to, let's say, the default font over here in this place. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.